know they're going through to the semi, but Lahore Qalandars are trying to get through for the first time into that semi-final. If they do, they'll be taking on Karachi. The toss, it went up and Lahore were calling, and they were able to get the right side of the coin down eventually, and they elected to bowl first. They wanted to chase on a pitch that not as flat as we've seen, or certainly not as hard and sheeny as a few games ago. So expectations that it'll be a little bit low, more of a low-scoring game, and might even turn a little bit, but it is a fantastic game on offer. Now, Multan have made a number of changes. All the senior citizens, as the captain said, have been given a rest and some good opportunities for those in highlights there. And Lahore Qalandars are going with what they consider their best side to get them through to the semi-final. So we are going to pick it up with the action, and it'll be Multan batting first. Well, it finished off nicely for the Multan side, given Kushdil was just dynamite. 70 from 29. They needed that, and then Batty came in at the end. But Rahal got 24 from 17. They were struggling to 140 and end up with 186 for 6. So the first part of the bowling, in fact, the economy rates right through were outstanding. Ralph, for some reason, bowled the 20th over, went for over 20 runs, and that's the reason they were able to get 186 Multan. So that was a surprise, but overall, I felt they bowled nicely. So the target for Lahore to get into the semis for the first time is 187, and I can't wait for the run chase.
A half trigger gets the treatment, goes for 6. Easy peasy Japanesey.
Well, that's an attempt at a flipper or something.
They needed a good start. This man gave it to them, and so apt that he gets to finish it off here in style at Gaddafi Stadium. His captain will be absolutely delighted.
There they are, Lahore, they're through for the first time, and they only lost 1 wicket. It was a bullying display here today in Lahore. Chris Lynn, the first ever player for Lahore to get triple figures, and that 113 is his highest T20 score, can you believe? He saved it for the PSL, but Fakir at the top there, that opening stand was the reason they were able to chase down a hefty total, 57 from 35, but it was the show that Chris Lynn that put on that was astounding. There's going to be nothing good to read here out of the bowling figures. Kadir, I suppose, with an economy rate of 6 and the 1 wicket, but everyone else, well, quite literally got smashed. There he is, Chris Lynn. He is an amazing T20 player. He's specialised in it for many, many years, and he's saluting his team, who always give him the licence to play the way he loves to play. So again, a reminder that Multan was sent in. 186 was a hard total to chase down, but not when you've got a Chris Lynn and Packer opening the batting and performing the way they did. They won by 9 wickets, and now are locked in to that 3rd position and will take on Karachi Kings. So Multan, we're still waiting to see if they play the Zalmi or the Gladiators.